Hello friends, welcome to the channel once again. So let's do the post analysis of the Nifty for today and the view for tomorrow. So as you can see over here, I have the Nifty chart. 30 minute का ये चार्ट है अभी. So आज मैं आपको थोड़ा काउंट दिखा देता हूँ. फिर ऑलवेज ऐसे तो दिखाता ही रहता हूँ, लेकिन वी विल सी दैट निफ्टी को अभी क्या मतलब और कितना आगे जाएगी. अभी निफ्टी कुछ दिन और फॉल होगी. सो हम लोग अभी देखते हैं अभी क्या होने वाला है. सो आप काउंट के हिसाब से अभी ये तो हो गई अपना 1. सो यहाँ पर भी 2 होता है. सो लेट्स सी 2 एंड 3 हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि ऊपर जा रही है, और 5 भी ऊपर जाएगी. सो लेट मी adjust it first. So we don't think that this is the count actually. So 3 we don't know actually. 3 it can be here, 4 it can be here, or 5 it can be here. Okay, so let me do like this. So okay, so 3 अभी ऊपर जा रही है, we don't know. So let's do the inner count actually. So यहाँ पर देखा जाए तो ये तो 1 2 3 4 5 हो गया, पर अभी इसके अंदर अभी क्या हो रही है. ये 2 के अंदर आपको क्या दिख रही है 2 के अंदर. सो 2 के अंदर हम लोग अभी काउंट लेते हैं. सो 1 2 either it will be 3, this will be 4, this can be 5. So मैं इसको अभी माइनर कर देता हूँ या मिनट. ओके, मिनट कर देता हूँ. एंड दिस लेट्स सी, दिस वन आई विल डू लाइक दिस so that it will be clear to you. Okay, सो अभी हम लोग का ये चल रहा है. सो ये जो 1 2 3 तो ये जो ट्रेंड है अभी 3 ऊपर जा रही है. सो आपका जो 1 है इट इज़ कंप्लीटेड ओवर हियर ओनली. सो बट ये लाइन में है तो मैं इसको ऐसा ये कर रहा हूँ. एंड 2 इट इज़ कंप्लीटेड ओवर इन दिस लाइन. सो दिस होल वेव is 2 itself. So this whole wave is 2 because it is a zigzag pattern, and after that it gave the breakout from here and it went. Okay, so this whole wave is over here 2. Okay, so 2 always act like this only, because it will be always in a pattern of ABC zigzag, and after that it will give a breakout. If it is going to give a big breakout, then only it can be a 3. So that is how we used to trade. And when the 3 will be there, 3 is going to break out, this will be always the stop loss. This will be the stop loss. 14,370 will be the stop loss, and we move ahead. Okay, so this is how it is done. So now let's start. So now see the inner move. So here so this is 1 2 3 4 5. So this 5, you see, this is a leading. Now it is a leading diagonal only. See, it is leading diagonal, and the 5 it can see a breakout over here also, and it can go. And we don't know if it is going over here, then it can be 3, and from here if it is falling, then it can be C. We will take the count. Okay, so right now this below this, now this one is the 1, this one is the 3 which has been made, and this 5, if it is breaking down of this one, this actually this let me see. Okay, 15,640 is there. It is not 15,640. So okay, 15,622. Below this, if it is breaking down, then trend will be starting weak. Below this it will be weak. So once it will break down of this one 15,622, 15,622, let's go to the 1 hour chart also. So okay, 15,622, once it is going to break below this, so then the trend will be weak. And what we can see is that the correction which is of this wave will come from here to here. This wave, what I am telling is the correction will come. So till now we are not sure whether it has been made or still it is in continuation. So we'll see this one. If you see this one, this is ABC, actually ABC done over here. So this is the fourth wave which I am suspecting. Okay, this is the fourth wave of this one what I am suspecting, and fourth wave will be always 23.6% of retracement of this one. If you see here, okay, if you see here, this wave is 23.6% of retracement, and this fourth is been made. Okay, so if you see 15,479, from here it got a bounce and it is going up. So this is how so this is what, so I am suspecting that this is the fourth move, and this is the fifth move which is going to come to an end of this wave. Okay, of this wave. This is the fourth. If this is the fourth move, this is the fifth of this wave. If it is coming to end, then this will be a correction, and this correction can come up to what? This will be the 50% of this one actually. And so from here, if you see, so how much it can come? So it can come 15,456 and 15,002. I can give you 15,260 one target, and 15,456 is one target, possible target. Okay, 15,456 to 15,260 will be the support, so it will be weak, so it will be a correction. यहाँ से correction होगी, यहाँ से कोई fall नहीं आने वाली है. So ये जो correction होगी 15,260, one is 15,260. What I am suspecting, it will come actually. So 15,260. So this will be the support. Once it will come below this, the support will be 15,260 to 200. 15,260 to 200. So this will be the zone from where Nifty will again bounce back. Okay, Nifty will again bounce back. And if you see, this is the fifth move or not. If you can see, if you will tackle this down, then you will come to know that this is the 1.618% retracement of this one. See, from here to here, if you see, it is a 1.618% retracement of this one. So this probably is the inner wave. Inner wave is going to complete. And from today onwards, so I have wrote in my YouTube channel actually, and it was not today, it was before yesterday only. I wrote that Tuesday to Thursday we can see somewhat around some correction, and Nifty is sell on rise actually. Nifty will be weak. So in this scenario also, what I will be telling is that if it is breaching in 1 hour time frame, if it is breaching 13 days low average, then you can take sell on rise. Okay, otherwise always if it is going to take support from 13 days moving average low, and it will again bounce. So till Nifty is like that. So there's some correction would be coming, but what I'm 15,622, if it is coming below this, then we can see some sell on rise. Otherwise will be continue moving upward only. Okay, so how long it will move? 15,000, that is the target has been given. 15,000 actually, this one 15,800 is one target, is done actually, this one. So inner wave it was done. So now, okay, 1 minute. So third wave, it can travel till 2.618% also. Okay, so 16,700 and 15,857 is the most probably this is coming to end. Actually from here some correction so we should see, and if still 15,900 is above 15,900, will be going towards 16,746. Okay, so till then we don't feel below it, below 15,000, this one 622 Nifty is weak. So don't be in a hurry to take any short position. Don't be in a hurry to take any short position. This is what I am showing you, the leading diagonal. See, so don't be in a hurry. It will be a short. It can come down, because if it is breaching this 15,622, then only we can see this is one of the support zone that it will come 23.6%, 15,450, then 15,260. Okay, till then tomorrow also in morning you can see, tomorrow also morning what we can see is that okay, this is the fifth one. Okay, so tomorrow also morning you could see a gap down, we can see some gap down, then after that rise, and then again a fall. So be cautious for that. So that is what this one. So once this is completed, this wave will completed. So this wave it will come to actually this will, if this is completed, it will come to it should not breach this one actually. So if it is completing over here, okay, if it is completing over here, then it can be a fourth move also, this can be a third move, and this can be a fourth, then again it can be a 5. So let's see what is happening, what is in the card. So 15,622, 15,006 below 15,622 Nifty is weak. Okay, that is the point over here, and support is 15,260. Above it, see today also 13 days moving average low, how it took support. Today it took support and it going down, going up. Okay, though it is weak, but it is going up. So like that it can happen, but this can show something. Actually, if you see, there is a negative divergence also. Okay, if you can see a negative divergence also, so it shows that this wave is coming to end. Okay, this wave, this portion of the wave is coming to end, and where it can give ABC, and 15,260 and 200 will be the one of the support from where it can bounce back. Okay, from where it can bounce back again. So this is the zone. So keep in mind before doing any trade. So from here or here it can bounce back towards the next move. Okay, regarding बैंक निफ्टी अभी भी एक चैनल लाइन में चल रही है. सो उसका क्या है कि अभी ये इफ़ यू सी दिस वेव इज इक्वल टू दिस वेव, एंड हियर इट स्टार्टेड टू फॉल अगेन. सो अभी यदि फॉल कंटिन्यू होती है तो उसका सपोर्ट कैसे आएगी कि 50% ऑफ रिट्रेसमेंट आएगी. ओके, तो 50% ऑफ रिट्रेसमेंट आ रही है 33,103. So again bank nifty could come up to here in this channel line, and after that it can do a bounce back. Okay, so up to here it can come to this channel line over here, then after that it could take a bounce back. So bank nifty का अभी भी मतलब it is very weak actually, still it is weak, and it is in 1 2 3 4. If you see in 1 2 3 4, if you see here, see this is now it is 2, and 3 is going to be there, but it has not yet started, and 4, then 5. Okay, 4 means it doesn't mean that 4 will be here. See bank nifty it can come 4 4 5. So there is a lot of way to go actually, but if it is ये जो रेजिस्टेंस है उसका, if this resistance is going to cross over, if it is breaking out of this trend line, if it is breaking out of this channel line, then only it can go. Otherwise Nifty Bank is very weak, so it will go very slow actually. So how much it can come? See, it can go till 38,376 is the potential. The potential is 38,376. Okay, the potential it can go 38,376. So in coming days we'll see this, but not now. Means not till Thursday. I don't see any move, such move. Okay, till Thursday I'm not seeing any move. So what will happen is that 1 minute, I will take out all these things. It is becoming very messy. So see, this in this ABC, this is ABC. Okay, if this is coming down, if it is not going above this 35,790, any bull move, any strength, it will show above this level only, 35,790. okay, so 35,800 you can put. So any strong move we can see above 35,800. okay, any strong move. So if this trend line is breaking 35,800, then only we will see a strong move toward 38,000. okay, otherwise it can come again over here 33,468, where this second wave will complete. The second wave will complete, and then it can move towards the third wave. okay, so this is the hurdle now, 35,790. this is the hurdle. So I think Nifty Bank is going to come over here up to this level, then after that it can go back. So this is what my take, my view actually. So you could see one of the price action over here. okay, 34,290. okay, below this 34,290 we can see this this is the one of the price action, 33,470. so from here it will take a support and it will go back. But as of now it is I am showing the trend is weak, and it can come over here 34,290, then 33,470, then it can go back. So this is the support, and whenever you are going to trade, keep your perfect stop loss and do the trade. But my view is that till 38,000 it is open, but it should take a support from here and it should go below this. We can further see more weakness. okay, so that is my take. So tomorrow, as I told you, tomorrow is Wednesday, and then Thursday. So till then we'll see some weakness, but after that we'll again move up in Friday. okay, so that's it guys. Hope you love my analysis, and one thing is that please subscribe to my channel and like my videos, and please share to other guys also. okay, bye.